So we're going to do a little garden tour today, and I have been ill, so I honestly have really neglected my garden. But let's go in and see what's growing. So over here, my tomatoes, of course, are about done. Poor things. We had freezing temperatures, so I need to pull them. So here I have my cauliflower growing. Look at that. See it down in there? Never grown cauliflower before. But I'm looking forward to trying it. Looks really, really good. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 heads of cauliflower. I've got peas here. I gotta get these tethered up. So I'll probably be picking cauliflower this week. It's a nice head right there of cauliflower. Okay, so this is my herbs and my cilantro. Got some spinach growing in here as well. Spinach, I can pick that for a salad. And my radishes, we've harvested all of them. They were really delicious. So here I have beets growing. They're probably getting ready to pull. I don't see anything shouldering yet. So I'm gonna give those a little bit more time. And over here I have some onions, and this was celery. It has some turnips growing in here, and they're not ready yet. So over here in my big bin, let's see, these are my Brussels sprouts, and I'll show you those in a minute. But I've got my peas here, climbing up. They're flowering. And carrots. They're not ready, but they're getting close. They're getting close to pick. And more turnips. My broccoli was delicious. It has all been harvested and ate. Let's go over here and I'll show you these Brussels sprouts. So Brussels sprouts, this is my first year growing them, and they developed the Brussels sprouts down in here between the stem and where the leaves join. And if I can find some. Well, there's Brussels sprouts growing down in here. I've got a lot of Brussels sprouts coming up. And more beets and the kohlrabi that I have not tried. It's kind of like a German turnip. So anyways, that's about how my garden is growing. I will be pulling everything soon, and then I will be planting my spring garden. So, as a first-time gardener, I've been pretty happy. Oh, those look so good. With how my garden has produced crops. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye for now.